What do you wear and how do you carry your gun when trick-or-treating? We got a question from a viewer, but before we get into it, I'll let you know we have a gun giveaway going on. It's happening right now. It's absolutely free, but it ends really soon. All you gotta do is click the link to find out which brand new gun you could win. So, interested viewer Keith from Neosho, Wisconsin wants to know, how do you carry your gun when you're trick-or-treating? Well, Keith, I happen to dress up like a male version of Lara Croft, and I just carry a real gun in a thigh holster and nobody notices. Absolutely not. Understand this, anytime you are dressing up, and when I say dressing up, this is, the Michalowski tuxedo here, you need to be able to access your concealed firearm in case you need to defend yourself. So stop and think about what you're going to dress up as and how you can incorporate your concealed firearm into that costume. Personally, I'd go with the lumberjack with the untucked flannel shirt so you can get to that gun very quickly, or just bash people with your axe. Actually grind the edge off on the axe. You don't want to carry a sharp axe when you're trick-or-treating. But when you're trick-or-treating, it's just like any other day. Well, except that you're dressed up as something really, really crazy. Maybe. I don't know. You need to make sure you have access to your firearm, that your firearm is secured, that it's not going to fall out, and that nobody else is going to see it. So whether you are dressed up for Halloween or whether you are going to be wearing your fancy Christmas sweater that Grandma gave you, stop and think about how you will carry your firearm, be able to access your firearm, be able to retain your firearm, and anything else that you carry in your everyday carry kit. Your spare ammo, your tourniquet, all that other stuff can go with you. And honestly, at Halloween time, man, you can dress up as anything you want. You can have a shoulder pouch or a backpack or a fanny pack or whatever, and you can keep your gun in there because it's Halloween. You get to pretend you're something you're not. You don't have to dress up as average, everyday suburban father, mother, whatever it is, and try to hide your gun in regular clothes. You get to hide it in your Halloween costume. Just make sure it's safe, make sure it's secure, and make sure nobody can see it. That's why we call it concealed carry. Want to know the 3 biggest mistakes when carrying a handgun? Then click on the video next to me to reveal all 3 mistakes. Mistake number 2 may shock you. Everybody has their own cardinal rules for what they're going to do when they're carrying a gun, but right now I'm going to give you 3 things that you must never do